Hi guys, this is Omar with Vertical Door Sync. Today we have a Corvette C8 C06 in the shop. We also have Danny's Corvette C8 convertible in the shop. And we have a Corvette C7. Let me show you how it works. To close the door, just bring the door straight down and close the door. To open it, just open it as normal until the door stops and then raise the door up. From the inside, I like to grab it from the top as far back as you can, bring the door down, and then close the door. To open it, grab it as far back as you can and raise the door up. Now, if you can't reach the top, grab the pocket and pull the door down. Once the door is down, close the door like normal. To open it, again, just grab as far back as you can and raise the door up. And that's how you use a vertical door sync kit.
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.